What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy TR. Sunday, do a little maintenance on this 95 1500 here. Today we're gonna change the wheel cylinders on this back. It's not really a how-to video. I'm just gonna go through it. We're gonna do a time lapse, and I'm just gonna run through it really quick. Maybe I'll show you the tools I used at the end of the video, but just gonna get at it. Like, subscribe, comment. So to take the wheel cylinder off, I'm going to use a 9/16 wrench to take my brake line out, and I'm going to use a 10mm socket to take the bolts that hold the wheel cylinder on. I'm not going to remove the spring. I'm going to see if I can just slide it out and maybe pull these back and replace the wheel cylinder. I'm not going to replace the brake pads. They look fine, and I don't want to kind of fight with this spring. So let's get to it. So I replaced the wheel cylinder. I didn't have to remove the spring. I put one side in first, and then on this side I used my screwdriver to open it up and slide it in. Everything went in pretty simple. If you do have to replace your pads, it's gonna be a little difficult, but if you're just replacing this wheel cylinder, it's a pretty easy job. Now we're just gonna tighten everything up. We're gonna clean it up, and that's it.